The main interest in magic is because it arouses a sense of wonder about how things operate, about the natural world. The universe is almost like a huge magic trick, and scientists are trying to figure out how it does what it does.
This, I'm sure, was in Martin's column sometime. You know, it's impossible to tie a knot without leaving go of the ends of the string the way I just did. But Martin will tell you many different ways of doing it.
There was one day where I got a letter from Martin that said, try putting marshmallows in a vacuum. What do you think will happen? When Martin tells you to do something, you know it's going to be interesting and that the results are going to be kind of counterintuitive. So if we now pump all the air out of this, what happens is that the marshmallows actually get larger instead of smaller. Now, if you let all the air back in, that's when they shrink down even smaller than when we started. So what's appealing about this is that it's this goofy thing to look at, but it really teaches you an interesting lesson in science, and there's something really kind of magical about watching these things get bigger. In fact, you can see how big they were when we started. Just kidding.
You see me writing Gardner from back to front, and I'm actually looking at Martin being written from left to right.